Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. The word of the day is assault, a C1 level noun that means a physical attack. Let's explore it together. The word assault is often used to describe a situation where someone physically attacks another person. It's a term you'll frequently hear in news reports or legal contexts, but it can also appear in everyday conversations to emphasize the severity of an incident. For example, the victim reported an assault to the police after the altercation. Some synonyms for assault include attack, assailment, and battery. Here's an example using one of these. The attack on the hiker occurred late at night, but thankfully, they escaped unharmed. Another example is, the suspect faced charges of battery after the incident at the park. Now, let's look at antonyms for assault. Words like defense, protection, and safeguard convey the opposite meaning. For example, the security guard acted in defense of the building when the intruder tried to enter. Or, the shield served as a form of protection during the battle. In everyday life, the word assault can come up in various ways. You might read about it in the news, hear it in discussions about crime or safety, or even encounter it in fictional stories or movies. For instance, you could say, the movie depicted a shocking assault, which highlighted the dangers of walking alone at night. It can also be used metaphorically, like in, the sudden noise felt like an assault on my ears. Here are a few more examples to help you get comfortable with the word. The knight prepared for the final assault on the castle. She described the verbal confrontation as an emotional assault. The prosecutor argued that the evidence clearly proved the assault took place. To sum up, today we explored the word assault, which refers to a physical attack. We discussed its synonyms like attack and battery, as well as its antonyms such as defense and protection. It's a powerful word that can be used both literally and metaphorically to describe intense actions or situations. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support makes it easier for others to find us. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word assault and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of words.